So this is my daughter's car. In fact, she's the cameraman, so if anything's bad on focusing, we'll blame her. You can see there's this dent, and she's obviously let it go too long, and we get a little bit of rust. So we need to fix this dent ASAP. The equipment to do it, of putting the glue on this, and then putting it right on that dent right there, and letting it cool completely. It's important to wear these gloves so you don't burn your fingers. This is the lever that will actually pull on the dent, so we need to place it properly. The dent actually comes out this way a ways, so it's hard to place it where you really want it perfectly. We'll have to feather it here. So this actually will allow you, before you pull the handle, to actually bring it up to a tightness here, because we want to recreate this edge if possible. Whoops. Here we go. Okay, so...
Are you sure it moved? Or, I mean, actually stayed moved?
Okay, next time I go to do it, get the camera as close as you can bear to get it and see if we can get that on video. But you got multiple times to try it. It doesn't take long for it to cool. Thinking that maybe this might increase the dent, so I'm going to manually pull this rather than use the lever. And you pull it until it pops. See it moving? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so you can see the edge is starting to return. This is a gradual thing. You don't do this in one move. You have to do it numerous times. So I'm actually going to move the glue over here to where it's still there. But where I pulled, see, because you can see that edge has returned where it was not there before. That was indented.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
That's cool.
You can turn that off for a minute.
Oh no, I think I...
Here in this area, we just pulled this area up, so I'm going to move over to this new area right here. Extra maybe 30 full seconds to make sure, because the metal of the car is cold enough, it almost instantaneously cools off that. Okay, so yeah, it's not conforming perfectly here, so at the threat of denting this, I'm going to go ahead and manually pull it off. Wow. See it? See that? It's getting better. That'll
Really?
The ridge of that metal is moving.
Oh.
We've done pretty good on this ridge in the first 3 pops. But now, because I don't want to get too far ahead of this dent, which is currently the deepest part of it. Now, one of the keys of doing this, because it cools so fast that you don't want to waste too much time getting it on and applying it. So I'm going to do it real quick. Right, just like that. Just like that. And you want the length of that to run right along that linear dent.
Oh.
It's all right.
I thought that was my paint coming off. How many seconds you got left on that phone, Dad?
We still need to do some work on it, but Sarah's got an appointment, so we'll finish that up later. But Alex is going to go ahead and do some primer on this rust, because we just can't leave it like that. So we're sanding it, taking all that rust off, because we really need to get to that with winter coming.
Thank you.
So we didn't want to leave it without protection, because that rust spot. So that's all taken care of. Now this job's not done, but at least the metal's all protected, and we'll finish up in a future episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe.